Gay!
Oh yeah! Alright, so we're gonna try this one and this one, and I'm gonna tell you which one is better, because you know the brand Shoemaker, and everybody gets sick.
Privates! We have reports of an unidentified flying object! It is a long, smooth shaft, complete with two balls!
You know, Willie Shoemaker always do everything simple, everything fancy, baby. You know how it is, baby boy, baby, make it stand, baby. You know, gotta take my beautiful butt. I'm trying to shave a little bit to see how it works. So let me poke it.
We've got Bush. Oh, hello, pie.
Naked! Ha 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 ha! So when you do this, you're supposed to do this. I'm gonna try first la Noreuco. Esta es la diferencia. Esta corta bien, pero la otra corta mejor. ¡Ay, puñeta! ¡Ay, a mí, mira! ¡Y a mí!
¿Qué?
¡Ay, a mí, mira! ¡Te me coge!
¿Qué?
¡Ay!
¡Ay, David! ¡Ay! ¡Ay, David! Espérate. ¿Con qué te dejamos con una toalla? Espérate.
¡Ay! I cut myself, dude.
¿Qué es acá? Toma. Papi, pa.
Embuste.
Estúpido.
Y'all not gonna see nothing naked, but it really looks like blood. I'm so devil. Put everything to the side. Well, tell me this shit don't look like really blood. This shit look like blood. And I did it in a quick second.
Look, man, I ain't falling for no banana in my tailpipe.
Finally got it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Yo guys, I already used my cut a motherfucker up and open it because I couldn't wait. I gotta take these glasses off because today I'm all messed up. Let me tell you why. I did a video for you guys in December. You're gonna watch that video. I haven't posted. It was in December that I did it. It's not throwing shade to whoever's doing motivation videos. You gotta see it. But every time that I do a video like I did in this one, I always do a skit. But in that skit, something happened. It cracked my tooth. That was in December. We on February. I just went yesterday to remove my tooth. I'm gonna take it off like I gotta say. Ah, they took.
What is that?
Kill my tooth down. Y'all gonna laugh when y'all see the video. Look what I do for you guys, even though I don't get paid in YouTube. So you know who I am. Some people know me like Ciego Bayamon. They're gonna call me, oh, the asshole, the bitch, or whatever, the punk, or whatever.
You think me gives a fuck about you? Not a secret. I don't.
So, call me whatever. But in the videos on my channel, I call myself the greatest Willie Shoemaker. And everybody can suck my
Giant Johnson.
You know what I mean. Alright, but on this video, I want to show you this brother that I've been dying to try. It's a nut scraper. If you don't know what's a nut scraper, yeah, F pics for real right now, because you gotta know what is a nut scraper. I bought the cheaper version because, dude, I'm broke, man. I don't get paid for this shit. I'm not in the pharmaceutical business anymore, so I'm humble now. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a square trying to bust a nut. You know what I mean?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, I'm just a square trying to bust a nut.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Okay, I knew that. Don't make me get my cutter motherfucking up. Don't make me use it. I use it. Everybody who knows me always carry one of this, One of the other ones, and especially the other thing. Not a paid subscription. I always carry something, but I like to use my cutter motherfucker. You don't want to get a slice face. Y'all want to call me because I know in the comments, oh, you're an asshole. Oh, you look like Barney. Oh, you look ugly. Oh, you this. Oh, you did this. Oh, you did that. Dude, I did worse things than whatever y'all going to be saying in the comments. And you know something? I never give a about it. Never lost sleep. Save it.
Bitch! I just wanted to say it like that.
Look, my watch is telling me that I'm running. I'm sitting now. Ooh, I'm doing exercise already. I'm losing weight. I'm losing weight. I'm losing weight. Keep watching. Make me feel good. Look, it said 50 calories. Ooh, by sitting down here. Yeah. My nose scraper. And plus my calorie losing. That motherfucker's gonna love me or hate me because I will destroy you assholes. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. Who gets the F about a boss? Look what I got. I know y'all gonna say, oh man, that's old, man. Oh man, that's old. But probably all of you is gonna say, oh, that's old. Probably none of you have it. It's because I know for damn sure you mother effing don't have it. And I'm gonna show you what it is. What it do. What it do to do. Or do to don't. Or do to did. Or whoever did. Gonna no script Mike.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Whoa, whoa. Sorry, man. I wasn't gonna say it. Chill out, brother. Let me swear right here. Let me put my fan over here. It's the Mower 2.0. Yeah. I got on my pickle trunk and I go to the countryside and I go along my lawn because I got my boy. Oh, why I care if I curse? I don't care. I don't get paid by YouTube. They don't pay me that quarter anymore. So I don't care. They used to pay me at least a quarter back in the 3 years ago after all those stuff they started doing on YouTube and they mess up my quarter a month. I remember those days. Back in those days when I get my quota. They were good days. They were good days. But I was in the pharmaceutical business back then, so I didn't care about my quarter. But now I want my quarter, YouTube. I want my quarter because I'm gonna get my cutter mother effing go. You know what I'm gonna say, baby? You know what I'm saying, baby? Money, bitch, someone sucking, baby. Yeah, baby, Willie True. Everybody gotta suck my
Salty nuts!
if you know what I mean, baby. Y'all gonna have a good review. Now those fake reviews y'all been seeing on YouTube, right? They go to, oh, this is wonderful. Oh, this is, oh, and they get paid. I don't get paid by this thing. If you can see, they don't promote me. That's how you say it, promote me or whatever. Because if they promote me, they would have sent me boxes like this full. Why? I'm not cheap. I ain't cheap because they know I will get my cutter mother effing out. You know what I'm saying, baby God? Baby God, baby God, baby, yep. They know that I would do it. Will you make it? Will do it if you want to make it? Will you make it? I don't even want to open. He looks so cute. He looks so damn cute. I want to show my shower long for so long, and I got it finally got it now. I can cut my lawn. My lawn 2.0. Oh, it means the lawnmower 2.0. You know why it's 2.0? And the 2 O's is the 2 nuts. Yeah, baby, that's a product right there for you. Yeah, right. They're gonna find you in the river one of these days. They're gonna find you in the river floating like this. If you keep messing with me, let me close that motherfucking cutter up before I cut myself. I already lost some too because of you guys trying to make the video. Probably when I make the video comes out, probably like 50 people see it. It can be what? It can be 100. It can be 1,000. It can be 3,000. I will love it. You wanna see what's inside, bro? You wanna see what's inside? I will tell you what's inside. I will tell you what's inside right now. Not later. Right now. I'll tell you what's inside right now. Let's do a quarter motherfucker right here. I mean, whoopity. Swappity swap. You cut motherfucker up and what? Alright, bitches. Welcome to the MANSCAPE movement. I'm part of the movement. Hoorah, 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 hoorah. Ooh, my head's standing up, baby. Your lawnmower cut a ball for 1 second. Oh, I forgot what it says. Manscaped movement will cut your nutsack in half. I don't want these. Don't cut my nuts in half. I need my nutsack. Baby needs some milk. We do a hood style, man. Because we from the hood, brother. We from the hood. You see what we watching right now, brother? We from the hood, man. We in the pharmaceutical business and the fucking business and the bitchin' business and the fucking business and the fucking business and the talking business and the ha and the fucking business and the fucking business and the fucking business and the cutting the ball business. Yeah, sure. Look what is right here, brother, man. You wanna cut your lawnmower right there? You can get on your pickup truck and get you one of these, man. Even though they got the 3.0 right now, first thing that I saw no difference on the 3.0, you know what it was? The price. No, you ain't gonna get me. Oh man, this is nice, man. This is like a, what the fuck? It looks like a fucking little vibrator, like the vibrator I found my ex on her pocket. Yeah, she had it on her pocket, dude. I don't know what you were doing with it in the pocket while we were outside no more. That's why every time that I see her, she was going, damn. Yeah, she was going, what the fuck, baby? No, baby, I got hiccups. Oh, for real? Again. Oh, baby, the hiccups are really bad. It was like this size. Dude, this fits on my hand. Dude, this is nice. I like it. I like them. They're like good plastic. I really like it. Sorry, Manscaped. If you're watching this video, I curse like a effing thing. Don't let it around your house because if your girl find it, she's gonna use that as a vibrator. You know what I mean, baby. Oh no, I cannot do that anymore. I lost it too. Stop and let me get closer. But be watch. If I see you looking at my doodle brown dick butt stained baby balls, I will baby come cut you, baby. Alright, baby. Alright? So don't be surprised if you see some crazy things over here in the channel. We over here done giveaway sesh. You know what I'm saying? But right here, the MASCAPE 2.0. So it brings right here, what I can see, it brings one clip, two clip. Let me lift. Oh, yeah, more presents. I like presents. You like presents? I like presents. Alright, listen. It gets you like a manual. Let's get started. Let's get it started. You charge your trimmer before you use. Why? I wanted to use it right now. I don't like that, Manscaped. Thank you, Manscaped, for giving me something to read at night. But I read the Bible better. Oh, I have my bike. Somebody trying to steal my bike. If I steal my bike, I would gotta get my gap thing. Oh, I'm not gonna say nothing else. Probably. Oh, it give you like a real cheap case, a real cheap. I think headphones bring. Oh, because it says Manscaped. Okay, it's good. It says Manscaped right here. Look at it. It's not a fast charging, no. But it's lit like this. Look, it's a scrub. Look, it's a scrabble. Sorry for my English. If you're gonna complain about my English, you know what you need to do. So you don't gotta be here, bruh. You don't gotta be here. Just get your own shit and get the stepping. But you don't need to watch it. You don't be putting the little comments. And I can even throw one my too fucked up. Too fucked up. Too fucked up. Yes, I have a too fucked up. Too fucked up. Okay, let me charge it. Let's try to charge it right now. Ooh, give you a little bridge. Will it SHOMAKER say it for you? Love a triangular music love. Thank you, Willie. Nah, she haven't used that as a vibrator. I've been having this feeling article for a long damn time. I don't want to use it anymore because it used to nick my baby Jews, baby Joe, baby Joe, King Kong balls. I used to nick that. Oh, that baby. My baby diamond balls. And I used to shave all around. First of all, if you're not clean for your female, or you're not clean even for whoever you're sleeping with, don't matter who you is, you a dirty pig. This is not the 80s or the 70s that you gotta be having
We got Bush.
No. We gotta have cleanness, people. Cleanness. This is my first time using Manscaped. I hope this works with this. If not, for real, this Philip Norelco 3100 is gonna be on everybody's ball Manscaped's office. Alright, y'all gotta understand it? Because my baby ball, baby good, baby girl, I precious. Freestyle.
What's up, Big Mom Simmons, man? My girl just did such a baby.
Let's do this. Look at this, man. This shit is beautiful. Look. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. I don't get that much hair because I cut my thing every time. Y'all see the little hairs? Oh my god. I just passed it through the rocket, right? And the rocket is completely good. Let's see the other parts. To the tires. Let's see. I'm scared, my scared. Oh. Y'all hear it cut it, right? Oh my god, this is sensational. Thank you, MASCAPE. It looks like 10 times bigger. Oh, look. Y'all can even clean it right here. Hey, look. Still works. The light is green. Look, it's still green. It's still vibrating and doing this stuff. Look how shapy look. You gotta have clean so it won't stink. You gotta have it clean so it won't stink. Because if it stink, then you stink. Yeah. I'm gonna show you proof. Vibrating. Look, I'm doing it with confidence. Look, you know the little hairs that be going in your nipples? Even when it's wet, this bitch is wet right now. This is for Manscaped. I'm gonna show my girl, my beautiful, big Jumanji. My rocket is clean. My thrusters are on fire. My tires are good. So, let's show the ending result to that girl right there. It's almost Valentine and she's gonna receive this rocket clean because it's a big ass rocket. Let's show it. Acá. ¿Qué pasó? Mira! Come here! That was to mess with me. Because I went into the room, I went following into the room, she was like, oh, come here, puppy. It's like an hour later. She loved it when I'm like that, but she was impressed. Bye now. I really love it. This right here, I'm gonna pass it to my young kids. Yes, so they can cut this up. So, Manscaped, really good product. Thank you. I'm gonna be buying the 3.0. Willie Shoemaker, approve this message. If you don't go buy Manscaped, I will destroy you. Like your wife is gonna destroy your balls if you do. So I hope I see you in the next one. I hope you hit the like button. I hope you subscribe. I got 2 other videos coming up. I got the motivation video that I already did it since December. I haven't posted because a lot of people are doing motivation. I don't want them to think that I'm throwing shades at them because everybody's like, oh, he's throwing shade. And no. Whoever knows me knows that I don't throw shade like that. That I don't shoot to the air. I shoot straight. If I got a problem with anybody, I call them. And please don't ask me about any problems in the comments. Don't ask me about nothing. Real G's move in silence. We don't say what we do or what we did. Alright? It's always better to be with less people who got heart than a bunch of people that none of them got heart. Got me? This is what F the day.